Boys and girls, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to be speaking about how to build a mini personal brand which makes money while you sleep. And I'm not joking about this, like, it will make you money while you sleep if you actually implement these steps and take action on it. So let's just get straight into it. No fluff around here, mate. No fluff around here. We're going to get straight into it anyway. Okay, so get paid while you sleep. First of all, we're going to start off with creating the offer. So the main goal is to get paid while we sleep, and you can't make money while you sleep if you have to send hundreds of cold messages daily, and you can't make money while you sleep if you sell a done for you service. It's too much headache. You have to be automating everything, and you have to be hiring loads of people if you want that done for you. Sure, you can have aspects of done for you within your service and that will make it better, but you're still not going to make money while you sleep. The main goal is to get paid while you sleep and deliver the service on autopilot. So how you do this is you have to have one skill, or you have to have a few skills. You either need to coach or you need to sell an info product, because then they can just buy it. Sometimes on even coaching, that you don't have to take a sales call. You can just type in the DMs and say, yeah, this is it. This is the program. This is where you'll go from. This is where you'll get to if you implement the steps within the program, and I'll be there along the way as well. That's what you can do. Most importantly, you have a skill, but you have to be able to transfer that skill over to other people. So you have to be good at creating programs, one-to-one coaching, etc., whatever you decide to do. And you have to get your prospects tangible results. You can't just get, let's just say, for example, I know some people are trying to scale a content agency, and that's what I was doing. Okay, I was trying to scale a content agency, just getting you views, but now I actually help convert those views into paying clients, so there's a tangible result there. And I'm not just getting views for my clients, I'm actually getting them tangible results. So you need to get tangible results for your clients. Okay, so this is how you just position your offer. This is literally it. I help niche do desired outcome with unique mechanism. So for me, it's I help experts scale with content, with the content magnify funnel, which is my unique mechanism. All you have to do now is figure out the deliverables, and the deliverables are how will you deliver your service. Are you going to do one-to-one coaching? Are you just going to hop on a call every week and run them through trainings, answer any questions that they may have, etc.? Or you're going to do group coaching, where you're going to, in a group, just answer questions and give them trainings throughout the actual calls. Or you're going to do one-to-one coaching plus a call/program, so you don't always have to be there to answer questions. It will be within the calls or program, and that's the best option, and that's what I kind of do. I have a done for you / a done with you service, so I take over for now I take over my clients' content creation process for them, and I also help them convert the attention we get them by coaching them. And I also have a course / a program going through the exact mechanism, the conversion mechanism, to actually convert attention. But it's your choice. Just make sure you know how you're going to get them from point A to point B and what you're going to do it with. So that's creating your offer, and it's that simple. Like, loads of people try and overcomplicate creating your offer, but it's literally simple. Well, it's not simple. Of course, you need to set out the deliverables and everything like that, and actually create the program if you're going to do it. But also, when you're creating this program, you literally don't need to create it all. You can give it to your client, and then they can ask questions, and then you can create modules around those questions to make your program even better. And that's what most people do. You have to get clients first to improve on your offer and to improve on your actual product. Otherwise, you're not going to know what they want to know, if you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so next is marketing your offer. So now you have an offer, you need to market it. Okay, so don't overcomplicate marketing. That's where most people go wrong. They think you need funnel, loads of funnels, or you need to overcomplicate funnel. You don't. The 3 things you need to sell somebody something is this: attention. You need attention onto you, your offer, and your business. If you don't have that, you're not going to be able to pitch your offer to anyone. You need trust. If you don't have trust, no one's going to trust you enough for when you do pitch your offer to someone. You can have all the attention in the world, but if you don't have trust, when you pitch someone your offer, no one's going to buy from you. Your prospect needs to be convinced. So you can have all the trust and attention in the world, but if your prospect is not convinced they need what you sell, they won't buy from you, okay? So first of all, we're going to start off with how to get attention. So as I said, you need attention onto you, your offer and your business. We want the right attention. We don't just want randoms on our page, but literally simply the easiest way, simplest way to get attention onto you, your offer and your business is by posting short form content, building a social media presence. Now, if you have some money on the side and you want to invest into your business, you can run a simple Instagram follow ad. And this simple Instagram follow ad is basically optimizing for the follow. So you're going to run it as an ad. I've got videos on my YouTube going through how to do this, how to script it. You're going to run it as an ad, and you're going to get people onto your page, onto your Instagram page. You should have organic content on there as well already. It's going to nurture them, and it's going to lead them onto the next stage of your funnel. This Instagram follow ad is just so you don't have to rely on the algorithm, because the algorithm isn't always good. Like, you don't need a lot of views, of course. You don't need a lot of views, guys, but I'm saying it's not always going to direct to your target audience. So if you have a bit of money, definitely run a simple Instagram follow ad. But if you don't have the money, or you just, because even if you do have the money, you need an organic presence first. You need some organic content on your page to actually nurture the targeted people who come onto your page. So all you're going to do is post organic content, but again, you want the right attention. So you're going to get your content messaging dialed in. And basically this means, so when a prospect comes onto your page, they know if your content is meant for them or not. So how you do this is leave subtle hints within your videos around these 5 pillars. You serve, what you do, your unique mechanism, which is your unique process to get clients' results, and your expertise. And you also need to post everyday short form videos, and you can follow this simple content strategy, which is posting 70% of the time valuable content, 20% of the time ask for something in return. And what this means is basically, don't ask for the sale or don't ask for the book call, ask for them to follow you or ask them to comment a keyword so you can send them something more valuable over for free, which will lead them on to the next stage of your funnel, which we'll talk about in the trust building stage. And then 10% of the time you're going to try go viral. So just try go viral, be controversial, do whatever it takes to go viral, okay? And that's 10% of the time. You don't have to follow that those exact figures, but you get what I'm saying. Most of the time, just give away valuable content, especially if you're trying to sell your offer. So this will get you the attention you deserve, and now you need to actually convert it, because attention is just attention. It doesn't matter, okay? It's just attention, okay? So short form content is to just get attention. It can't convert prospects into paying clients. If you really think about it, trust is the number one thing you need to sell somebody something, and you can't build up trust through 30 to 60 second clips. Like, some people need to watch your content for at least 7 hours for them to even consider buying from you. And that's going to take ages if they're just watching short form content. But do make sure you post on all 3 platforms. So short form content, post on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram. Focus on Instagram though, because especially if you're running that Instagram follow ad. But now we need to convert it and build up trust. So to build up trust, you need to lead all short form to longer form videos. Longer form videos will build up more trust hours, because they're seeing you for longer, you're going into more detail, and you're in front of your prospect's face for a longer period of time. So with YouTube, you need to post every week or multiple times a week, because you can now be lazy on YouTube, okay? Like this, okay? I'm being lazy right now on YouTube because raw and authentic videos are winning right now, okay? I've seen loads of people go from over edited videos to just raw and authentic videos. They're winning right now. It's the easiest time to grow on YouTube. Not grow, but like get clients through YouTube as well, because you're being raw and authentic. That builds up even more trust, because they're seeing you for who you truly are. And you're just giving away a bunch of value, raw and authentic, no fluff, no over edited, no cutting out stuff, just being you, okay? Obviously you're going to cut out long pauses like I'm doing right now, but I'm just going to leave most stuff in, okay? So the YouTube videos you can create raw and authentic would be step-by-step processes, in detail client case studies. So make sure you're talking about your client's results if you have any. If you're just starting a mini personal brand and you don't have any clients' results, speak about how you would get your client result if they joined you. You're going to also create day in the life videos. So sometimes when you go somewhere like really nice, etc., this just builds a connection. And remember, just make sure all your videos are raw and authentic. And you're probably wondering right now, how do I lead all my short form attention that I'm getting to longer form videos? Now, most people put like their link to buy something or their link to book a call in their short form platform bio straight away. I don't recommend that at all. You need to lead all viewers by optimizing your profiles to YouTube. So as you can see, there's no book a call link here. There's my YouTube, okay? It's in linktw.im because it turns it into a deep link, so it takes them over to the actual platform. So just optimize your profile and also have a value YouTube highlight here. And this is just so whenever you post a YouTube video, post it on your story, then add it to this one here, okay? Because that means it stays around forever. Someone clicks on your highlights. Oh, this looks like a good video. They go over to your YouTube because the link's in it, okay? And also, you can have 2 links in your Instagram, so make sure one of them is a YouTube video, a very valuable one. And this will lead them on to the next stage of your funnel. And you can also lead viewers there by leveraging ManyChat. Okay, so ManyChat is an automation platform. And basically, when someone comments a keyword on one of your posts, it will send them over something that you've told them to send over. So that didn't make sense really, but it means like it's an automation platform, and when you set it to send over a free training, it will, okay? So for example, if someone comments a keyword on my post, like saying magnify, and I say at the end of one of my short form videos, sorry, the light's gone out, I say at the end of my video, comment the word magnify, and I'll send you over free training on exactly how to desired outcome, whatever their desired outcome is. Whenever someone comments on my post that word, it will send them over an automation ASAP and send them that free training. And you can also do this with stories, and that's what I recommend, because that's why I recommend focusing on Instagram, because of stories. You can post on your story just whenever you post a really valuable YouTube video. Only do this when you post one that you think, okay, this has a chance of actually converting a prospect into a paying client. Post it on your story, but say something like, I just created a training going over exactly how to desired outcome. Reply to this story with the word, whatever word you want to use and whatever word you've set on ManyChat, and I'll send it over to you for completely free. And there's an advanced way of setting up an automation to book a call, and I go over that within my program. If you want to join, book a call. I think I actually went over it in my free community as well, so if you're enjoying that as well, it's in the description of this YouTube video. Yeah, use ManyChat within your videos and stories to lead them over to the next stage of your funnel, which is YouTube. And remember to be raw and authentic within your videos, as that is what's working right now on YouTube. Literally look up anyone who's big in the space, their move. Even Iman Gadzhi, I think yesterday, made a video that was raw and authentic. It was like the raw reality of making $1 million a month. Bro, if Iman Gadzhi's doing raw videos, do it. He knows what he's doing, okay? Even if he doesn't sell anything that good, well, I don't know, I've never been through it, but I've heard that it's not that good. But anyway, even if he doesn't, he knows what he's doing, okay? So, the final stage of your funnel, and this may convert attention into paying clients, because you're building up trust, and trust is the number one thing you need to sell somebody something. But you do need to convince your prospect that they need your stuff, like they need it, okay? So you need to lead everyone to a specific YouTube video positioned as a free training, but in reality it will be a video sales letter. And a video sales letter is a video convincing your prospect that your process is the process they need to get from point A to point B, which is their desired outcome. And within this video, you just need to make your prospect you need to make your viewers problem aware, and you need to rub salt in the wounds of the problem so they realize they need to solve it ASAP. And your solution is the way to do that. So if you're wondering how to script this VSL, just hook your audience in with a crazy hook, explain who it's for, back up crazy hook with social proof to show you actually know your shit. Then you're going to make them problem aware. This one's very important. Make them problem aware. Then you're going to rub salt in the wounds of that problem, so make sure they know that they need to solve it ASAP and they actually really have a serious problem going on. And then you're going to speak about the old system and why it's outdated. Okay, speak about what they're doing right now and why it's outdated, why it's not working. Then you're going to position your unique mechanism, your unique process to get clients results as as the best problem solver, okay? And then you're going to give them a walkthrough of that process, because remember, people don't buy for information, they buy for accountability, they buy for what to do and when to do it, so you're telling them what to do and when to do it, and they just buy for someone's hand to hold along the way. They probably know what they need to do, but they just need motivation to actually do that said thing, and for you to actually say to them, yes, you can do that. Because people, I forgot what it's called, people just want someone to give them the green light to go ahead, because we care about opinions of others instead of just trying it ourselves. If you understand what I'm saying. I can't remember the word for that. There's a word for that. It will come to me, hopefully. And then you're going to add in some more proof of concept, so make sure you put a unique client case study where your client went from this, okay, and then they implemented your unique mechanism and they went from there to this, okay. Then you're going to end with a simple call to action. This call to action is important, but you don't want to beg it. I see a lot of people, please book a call. No, literally simply ask them to book a call if they want it implemented with and for them. And if they don't, just say to them, join our free community where we go over thingy. And we'll talk about that in a minute. But put this video sales letter link in every one of your normal YouTube videos, and use a call to action in all your normal YouTube videos to promote that free training. Because it is a free training, you're not going to go back on your word. You're going to give away a bunch of value within that video sales letter. Mine's an hour long. I give away a bunch of value within it, but I also try and convince them that they need my chip, because most people, the thing is, you can only convince someone if they truly need it, okay? So that's what I'm doing, okay? I'm convincing them that they need it, because they do. If they implement my process, they're going to get to where they want to be, okay? This is the process that I'm going through right now. But anyway, just make sure you use a call to action to promote it in every one of your videos, and this will convert attention into paying clients. But there's always but. No, some people might not convert from this, and that's okay. What Alex Hormozi says, comma, and that's okay. If people don't convert, just use a call to action for them to join your free community. As I said, say, oh, if you're not ready to take the next step and book in a call, make sure you join our free community where we go over exactly how to, for me, it would be exactly how to get attention and convert attention. Okay, and then all you're going to do with that to get them to convert is retarget them with short form content, because remember, they probably followed you. Long form content, they've probably subscribed. Community content if they joined, and retargeting ads if you have the money, until they're convinced they need your shit and invest. And when people do book a call, you can use a Calendly form as leverage to only book qualified calls, and this will go through a bunch of questions that they have to answer, and you can decide whether you want to take the call or not. And these calls will be amazing, because prospects will only ask a few questions, and then boom, they will say send the invoice, because they've been through your content and overcome any objections they may have had beforehand because of your content, okay? And this is why this funnel's so good. And you can literally do it for free, organic content. But if you don't want to do paid, you can. It's like $10 a day. But that's exactly how to build a mini personal brand which pays you while you sleep. You just need an offer that sells by itself, an info product or coaching, because coaching you can still sell while you're sleeping, but you just need to be on one-on-one calls from time to time, if you understand what I'm saying. But yeah, I hope you got some value from this. Check out the free training in the description, and also join my free community if you really want to. Let me just show you how much value I give away in there. One second. Classroom. I give away a bunch of value in here. So yeah, if you want to join that, join it. Yeah, thanks guys for watching, really appreciate it. Subscribe, and if you do want help implementing this with and for you, book a call and we'll see if I can even help you, okay? And if you even want my help, okay? So thanks guys for watching, really appreciate it. Peace.